Every stitch tells a story. The garment industry runs on precision, on thousands of decisions made every single day. Which order ships first? Which line runs tonight? Which cost gets absorbed and which doesn't? For decades, you've managed this with spreadsheets, instinct, experience, and legacy ERPs. But the game has changed. Introducing Stitch Optima by Enjen AI. Built exclusively for garment and apparel manufacturers. Not a generic ERP dressed up in industry language. This is intelligent simplicity, purpose-built for the way your business actually works. Your command center, one screen, every number that matters. Open orders, production progress, delivery timelines, workforce utilization. No more chasing reports across departments. No more end-of-day surprises. With Stitch Optima's real-time dashboard, you see the entire operation the moment it happens. In the garment business, costing isn't just a function. It's a survival skill. One wrong estimate and your margin evaporates before the first stitch is sewn. Stitch Optima's costing engine gives you real-time visibility into every rupee, fabric, trims, CMT, overheads. Quote with confidence. Negotiate from strength. Protect your margins. Order after order. What separates good manufacturers from great ones? Planning. Not just knowing what needs to be done, but knowing exactly when, where, and how. The Stitch Optima planning board gives your production team a complete visual command of every work order, every line, every operation, mapped, sequenced, and optimized. But production never goes exactly to plan. A work order not yet released, raw materials delayed in transit, a machine breakdown on line 4. In the old world, this meant chaos, missed shipments, frantic replanning, costly delays. In the Stitch Optima world, you drag, you drop, you adapt. Instantly reroute operations, rebalance your lines, and keep production moving without losing a single day. Stitch Optima by Enjen AI. Because in a business measured in centimeters and deadlines, every decision deserves intelligence. Every stitch deserves a system built for it.
Enjen AI. Intelligence simplified.